all of you to this seminar on road safety, which is held in conjunction with the Vehicle Safety Week 2019. And this is the first event of the week, and I do appreciate everyone's commitment in terms of time and effort to join us here to exchange ideas and experience with our distinguished guest speakers.
Our crash cushion is something called an SMA. It's the shortest in the industry, which is important because the shorter it is, the less likely it is to get hit. Okay? The best thing to do is to prevent an accident from ever happening in the first place. We are the world's first and only dual compliant device, the first crash cushion approved by the Joint Standard Committee.
The SMA crash cushion protects motorists by safely stopping vehicles that would otherwise crash into rigid roadside objects, such as barrier ends, gantry signs, and other similar items. The SMA crash cushion is the first crash cushion for the 21st century. It incorporates some very important design advantages, such as a reusable steel nose that does not require replacement after impact, and an onboard NFC device that allows the crash cushion to talk to you via an app on your handphone. Most importantly, because the SMA features multiple energy absorbers in each bay, it is the shortest and least expensive crash cushion available on the market today.
Ya que no cuando no.